In this video we present TimeNotes, a visualization technique utilizing built-for-purpose interaction techniques to support analysis, interaction, and presentation of time series data. On initialization of TimeNotes, an overview of the whole dataset is drawn on a time series graph at the root node. Traditionally, time series charts are used, like this, for analysis, but these present problems when the screen resolution is small in comparison to the data. An overplotting problem occurs and the data is too dense to identify specific events in the data. TimeNotes utilizes hierarchical zooming. This allows the user to apply rubber band selection across the data series by dragging the cursor. Selecting Add Stack creates a new zoom level of the selected data range in further detail below. A smooth curve is drawn between the parent and child nodes. This allows the user to intuitively trace through the hierarchy to correlate the temporal ordering of events, which allows them to perform higher level tasks. A flexible node link layout is adopted. Firstly, whenever a new node is added, the display space occupied by each node is readjusted, such that the width of each node is proportional to the amount of data it represents. The user can further move nodes to a suitable location and size in the display. Movement disables the auto layout function for the parent node. This can be reset at any time by performing a relayout. Grabbing the selection of an object allows the user to pan through the data. When auto layout is enabled, an ordering between nodes is maintained, such that if there is a crossover, the ordering is instantly updated, as so. This sustains the implicit readability of the hierarchy. Panning over a subtree offsets the child nodes accordingly. Double-clicking on a connection collapses nodes and whole subtrees. Hovering over a bookmark displays a graphical preview of the underlying hierarchy. These can be later reopened for further inspection by double-clicking. Nodes can also be deleted by right-clicking and selecting Remove Stack. If an intermediate node is deleted, the user is asked if they would like to move the subtrees to the parent node. We select Yes and the child node is added to the root node. Details on demand can be accessed for each node by viewing statistical summaries of the data contained in each node. We right-click on a node and select View Statistics. Here we can select a data attribute to view the minimum, maximum and mean for. Furthermore, the user may export the data selection to file for further statistical analysis outside of TimeNotes. When the user wishes to directly compare signals, for example the flapping patterns below, they can be snapped together to combine them into an overlaid time series graph view. This allows relationships, for example frequency and amplitude, between temporal regions to be perceived. As you can see, the connections are mapped to the overlay plot with a unique colour applied. This allows the user to correlate between the position in the parent node and the associated line in the graph. By default, each line occupies the same width of the display space. The user may also use alignment to reflect the temporal length of the data subset in the visualization. This shows each signal at their corresponding temporal length in relationship to each other. Here they may align signals to the left, centrally, or to the right hand side of the display.